Hi everyone. Welcome to our podcast, Daily Chats. I'm Liba.
And I'm Jamie. Today, we are talking about daily conversations. These are the talks we have every day with friends, family, or even strangers.
Yes. Daily conversations are very important. They help us connect with people. What do you think, Jamie?
I think they are very important too. Conversations can be about anything. It can be about the weather, our day, or our plans for the weekend.
Exactly. Let's start with the weather. Talking about the weather is a common way to start a conversation.
Yes. For example, you can say, "It's sunny today, isn't it?"
And the other person can reply, "Yes, it is. I love sunny days. Do you like sunny weather?"
Then you can say, "Yes, I do. It makes me happy. I like to go for walks in the park when it's sunny."
Or if it's rainy, you might say, "It's raining today. I don't like the rain."
And they could reply, "Me neither. I prefer sunny days. What do you like to do when it rains?"
You could say, "I like to read a book or watch a movie."
That's a great conversation starter. Now, let's talk about asking about someone's day. You can say, "How was your day?"
And the reply can be, "It was good. I went shopping."
You can follow up with, "What did you buy?"
The person might say, "I bought a new shirt and some shoes."
And you can respond, "That sounds nice. Where did you go shopping?"
They might say, "I went to the mall. It was busy, but I had fun."
You can share your own experience too. "I love shopping at the mall. I went last week and found a great dress."
That keeps the conversation going and shows you are interested.
What about talking about plans for the weekend? You can say, "Do you have any plans for the weekend?"
And they might say, "I'm going to visit my family."
Then you can ask, "Oh, that sounds nice. How far do they live?"
They could reply, "They live about 2 hours away. I will drive there on Saturday."
Then you can ask, "Oh, that sounds nice. How far do they live?"
This way, the conversation keeps flowing.
Yes. Small talks help us get to know each other better.
And it can be nice to share experiences.
Now, let's talk about how to start a conversation with someone new.
Talking to new people can be a little scary. But you can start with simple questions.
Right. You can say, "Hi. I'm Jamie. What's your name?"
And the other person can say, "I'm Liba. Nice to meet you."
"Nice to meet you too." Then you can ask, "What do you like to do?"
The person might reply, "I love to play soccer and watch movies."
You could say, "That's cool. I enjoy watching movies too. What's your favorite movie?"
This helps the conversation grow.
Yes. And it's a great way to make new friends.
Now let's talk about body language. It's not just about words.
That's true. Smiling shows you are friendly.
Nodding your head can show you are listening.
And looking at someone when they talk makes them feel important.
Yes. These things help make a conversation nice.
Also, it's good to keep an open posture. If you cross your arms, it might seem like you are not interested.
Exactly. Instead, keep your arms relaxed at your sides.
To sum up, daily conversations can be simple and fun.
Right. Start with questions about the weather, your day, or weekend plans.
And remember to use friendly body language.
Thank you for listening to our podcast.
We hope you enjoyed it.
If you liked our podcast, please give us a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe for more fun talks.
Share this podcast with your friends who want to improve their conversation skills.
Until next time, keep chatting.